6. A bucket of popcorn at the movie theater consists of 980 calories. If 7 friends want to split the bucket of popcorn evenly, which expression will determine the calorie intake per friend? 27. Which model shows the sum of 2 and 54 hundredths and 1 and 7 hundredths? 28. Each cube has side lengths of 1 inch. Assuming the shape is solid for parts not shown, what is the volume of the shape? 29. Lucy is looking at a cell under a microscope. The size of the actual cell is 1/8 millimeter. If the microscope magnifies the size of the cell by 40, how big does the cell appear in millimeters? Mark's container holds 5 pounds of fries. Number 30. If he uses a scoop that holds 1/4 pound of fries, how many scoops of fries will it take Mark to fill his container? 31. The cafeteria has 4.5 tables full of students. 3/5 of the students are boys. How many tables would it take to seat only the boys? 32. Mrs. Baker has 75 pounds of potting soil. She wants to distribute the potting soil evenly among 8 gardens. How many pounds of potting soil will each garden receive? 33. Which equation can be used to find the quotient Q of 4,572 divided by 18? 34. When rounded to the nearest tenth, which number will round to 23 8/10? Remember, you're selecting the first correct answer. 35. Which correctly describes the way to move from the origin on a coordinate grid to the point 2, 6. A. Start at the origin, move 6 units right and 2 units up. B. Start at the origin, move 2 units right and 6 units up. C. Start at the origin, move 6 units left and 2 units down. D. Start at the origin, move 2 units left and 6 units down. Maria has 12 gallons of lemonade. She wants to give each of her friends 1/3 gallon of lemonade. How many friends can receive 1/3 gallon of lemonade? 37. What would be the volume of the box shown if the box is completely filled with unit cubes? 38. Examine the value shown. The number 5 is underlined in both values. How many times larger is the 5 in the first number compared to the 5 in the second number? 39. Peter construction object with building blocks as shown. What is the volume of the object in cubic centimeters? I'm going to come back. You don't have to keep up with me. I'm going to come back for you. I'm going to try to record this real fast. 40. Which statement about the placement of the decimal point when 423 1/10 is divided by 10 to the 4th power is true? The decimal will move 3 places to the left. The decimal will move 4 places to the left. The decimal will move 3 places to the right. D. The decimal will move 4 places to the right. 41. Which statement correctly compares the numbers 1 and 212 thousandths and 1 and 22 hundredths? A. 1 and 212 thousandths equals 1 and 22 hundredths because both have the same digit.
Window?
Yes,
You have Alexis Pittman?
I do.
Okay, she needs to be a car rider today, and her grandmother will pick her up.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
A, 1 and 212 thousandths equals 1 and 22 hundredths because both have the same digit in the ones place. B, 1 and 212 thousandths equals 1 and 22 hundredths because both have the same digit in the tenths place. C, 1 and 212 thousandths is greater than 1 and 22 hundredths because 212 thousandths is greater than 22 hundredths. D, 1 and 212 thousandths is less than 1 and 22 hundredths because 220 thousandths is greater than 212 thousandths. 42, the numbers 15 and 254 thousandths and 14 and 546 thousandths should be rounded to which place value to be the same number after rounding? A, tens, B, ones, C, tenths, D, hundredths. Number 43. Which point is located at the coordinate 2, 9? A, point L, B, point M, C, point N, D, point O. 44. Isaiah was practicing multiplying multi-digit numbers, but his younger sister accidentally erased part of his answer. What is left of his work is shown. Which numbers accurately complete Isaiah's work? 45. Study the patterns shown in the table. Which statement about pattern X and pattern Y is true? A, each term in pattern X is 4 more than the corresponding term in pattern Y. B, each term in pattern X is 4 less than the corresponding term in pattern Y. C, each term in pattern X is 5 times the corresponding term in pattern Y. D, each term in pattern X is 1/5 times the corresponding term in pattern Y. A flower shop has 460 dozen roses. How many roses are in the flower shop? 47. On her computer, Ariana can download games as well as books. The table shows the cost of each download. If Ariana downloads 5 books and 5 games, which statement is true? Select the first correct answer. A, Ariana spends $3 more on 5 games than on 5 books. B, Ariana spends $9 more on 5 games than on 5 books. C, Ariana spends $15 more on 5 games than on 5 books. D, Ariana spends $27 on 5 games. E, Ariana spends $60 on 5 books and 5 games. F, Ariana spends $75 on 5 books and 5 games. Number 48. Consider the mathematical expression given. Which value represents the simplified expression?